When I was growing up, my dad always asked me to make the cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. He always liked to say that no one else could make it quite like I could, which actually made me laugh because I would hold up the package and be like, "Dad, the recipe's right here. You could do it if you wanted." Nope, he had it in his head. I had to make the cranberry sauce. So today, in honor of my late father, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make sugar-free cranberry sauce. Perfect for all your keto Thanksgiving celebrations. Basic cranberry sauce really only consists of 3 simple ingredients: cranberries, water, and sugar. Now, thankfully, the sugar can be replaced with just about any granular sweetener you like best. You can also add any number of flavorings. I know a lot of people like to add some orange zest, or you could add orange extract instead. Cinnamon is always a nice choice. I have an old recipe on my blog that has chipotle and lime together, which is actually very tasty, a little different and spicy. And vanilla extract's a lovely addition too. You could also think of other spices and herbs. There are many ways to dress up your cranberry sauce. For my cranberry sauce today, I'm going to make a brown sugar and cinnamon version. So here I have about 8 ounces of cranberries, and they can be fresh or frozen, it really doesn't matter. These I bought fresh last year, and I just ended up sticking the entire bag in my freezer. We're just gonna add those to our pot. And I've got about 2/3 cup of water, and I'm gonna bring that to a simmer. Now, I said you could use any sweetener you like, and that is absolutely true. But if you're using erythritol-based sweeteners only, such as Swerve, Lakanto, or just plain erythritol, it's going to recrystallize a little after you've cooked it. So one of the things I advise there is using the powdered version and only adding it at the end when your cranberries have popped. But today for my recipe, I'm actually going to use 2 different sweeteners. I'm going to use, for the brown sugar flavor, I'm going to use the new brown Swerve. And to help keep it soft, I find that using a different sweetener such as Boca Sweet, allulose, or xylitol helps keep things from recrystallizing. So I'm going to use half Boca Sweet. And I'm just using about 1/4 cup of each sweetener. And I'm going to add it right into my pot as it's going. And sweetness is always one of those things that's a matter of taste. So it's a good idea to start with things less sweet and add sweetener as you go. And we'll let it come to a simmer. And once it's simmering, we just want to leave it alone for 5 to 10 minutes, watching it every so often until all of the cranberries have popped and released their juices. And the fun part with cooking cranberries like this is you can literally hear them popping as you go. Almost like popcorn, little pop, pop, pop. Whoop! Came right out. So my cranberry sauce has been bubbling away for about 10 minutes. It's still got some little whole cranberries, but most of them have popped. It's started to thicken, which is fabulous. And it smells like Thanksgiving in here. Cinnamon and cranberries and brown sugar. It smells fantastic. And you can see right here how lovely and thick and cranberry sauce-like it is. And the great thing about cranberry sauce too is you can make it ahead and you can refrigerate for several days. You can even freeze this. You can find this easy recipe plus plenty of other keto Thanksgiving recipes on alldayidreamaboutfood.com.